This is a collection of my 3D printable organizer designs. Snap as many rings together as you want. This is the same principle, but a smaller version. It consists of one bottom part and as many rings as possible. It's great for pencils. Here's another organizer in the shape of a trash can. It's very useful for placing pliers. One of my favorites is this stackable scaffold organizer. It's suitable for any kind. You can build as high as you can. Let's check out the first example of building high. This is how it can look like. At the end of the video, I show you a real-life example. First you may be interested in more of my designs in 3D models. Then check out my Patreon page to get commercial sale rights to all my designs. You can get permission to sell physical 3D print models that are made from my files. Also get access to my model library for the 3D files I use in my videos. Here's some more of my scaffold organizers. Great for some of your bathroom stuff. Also check out my design and engineering channel where I post many tutorials. And have a look at my website where everything comes together. Thank you for watching. Also check out my other videos and channels.